Make sure you submit your pictures, your glamour shots, to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com. Whether you have an active YouTube channel or not making videos, it doesn't matter. We just want you to participate and have a lot of fun. I'd like to thank Gaslands NorCal for being the guest horseman this month. What a great job he did. Make sure you check out his YouTube page. And next month we have the tow truck theme in September. And our guest horseman is our friend Brad at Full Custom Diecast. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Also in the month of October, we have the Paint It Pink Challenge, which is raising awareness for breast cancer research. This is something that is definitely near and dear to my heart. The guest horseman for that will be Jody Sims, and you definitely don't want to miss that because Jody always brings it full tilt. Thanks for joining us today in the Four Horsemen. There was a lot of great builds today, and we thank everybody that participated. We would love to see your builds in next month's challenge. Check out the schedule for the Four Horsemen at 4 Horsemen Diecast on YouTube. Thank you, and cheers.